Hi friends, this video shows how to change Wi-Fi password in PS5. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. First go to settings. Set settings icon from top right corner. Go to network. Under network, select settings. Go to setup internet connection. So here you can see right now I have connected this PS5 to Wi-Fi network Wi-Fi 2024. Wi-Fi 2024, that is the name of the Wi-Fi router which I am using. So I am going to change the password. Select Wi-Fi network Wi-Fi 2024. Then press options button on PS5 DualSense controller. Press options button. Then go to advanced settings. Here you can see password. Select password. Then we can enter new password here. Okay, I have entered new password. Then select done. Select OK. See, now it's trying to connect with the new password. Okay, connected. So this way we can change Wi-Fi password. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.